Good morning, you lovelies.
Good morning, Nonda.
Mr. P.
Hello!
Can I just do one thing before we start on the absolute legendary B18?
What's that?
Has the car you want to buy been John? Want to check its history in proper detail? Meet Car Vertical. Get access to one of the largest database networks for vehicle records. Whether buying a vehicle locally or overseas, we can help you avoid a turd. Avoid any surprises. CarVertical.com, as used by Donkey London.
Everyone keeps remarking about the YB.
Oh, what, the yearly broken?
Can't say that, man. We've got Ford fans watching. Cosworth, baby.
Yeah.
So what's the story with this? Because everyone keeps remarking what's going down.
It was built by another garage. We found it to have extremely low compression after just 100 miles. And then I drained 4 litres of petrol out the sump.
Interesting.
So now it's got oversized forged pistons, forged rods, and I think, no, it's got standard cams, solid lifters, and a few other little tricks in it.
Nice, man. What would you rather have, this or the almighty Honda B18?
B18 all day.
Yes, right on.
Absolutely all day. If these faced the other way, they'd be so good for rear-wheel drive swaps.
What about putting one of these in a Cosworth?
I think you'd get shot.
Anyway,
That's the
VTEC.
Honda.
Today we're actually going to attempt to get it in at some point, if we can.
Yeah.
Done the bottom end essentially, done the cylinder head.
Yeah.
Now we've got to make them like a family.
Yeah, so what we're going to do in a minute, we're going to put oil pump on. We're going to do oil pump, sump, and then we're going to flip it up. We're going to put the head studs in, and then we're going to put the head on, rocker cover, and then we're going to do timing belt, water pump, so it's all a complete unit.
Exciting times, man, so it's actually going to start to look like a motor. Soon we can turn
An
the key.
engine, we're not American.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to appeal to a wider demographic.
Okay, well yeah, we're going for a long block.
While Paul's getting the bits ready, quick little Nomda tour. Don't you guys have seen inside it for a while? Looking pimp. That gear knob's pretty sick. I forgot what gear knob is it. Oh, it's a 621, Mr. Adam Ivel. Looking very cool. Pretty cool. We still got all the roll cage in here and stuff. I think at some point we should probably get a bucket seat as well. Because at the moment we just got the stock seat, and we have got the harness spars as well, so we can get a seat in there and get some proper harnesses. Keep Mr. John safe. Ah, Nonda. Man loves John action. Right, let's do this.
First thing we've done is the rear main oil seal, and then we have got one dilemma. We've got a brand new oil pump from Teggy,
Yep.
but we haven't got a oil pickup.
No, it seems to have vanished.
Foxtrot Oscar.
Yeah.
We'll put the oil pump on, and then we'll put the sump on loosely.
Yeah.
And we'll kind of do that.
So we can still get the engine in,
Yeah.
and then, yeah, before we put the exhaust on, we'll drop the sump back down, bolt the pickup tube in, and then we can finalise the sump.
Make sure we don't forget.
Yeah, no, I'll put a big note on the dash saying no oil pickup.
Yeah,
Monkey,
matter.
don't turn the key.
Oil pump, Teggy, Legends,
Yeah, spooge, O-ring, important O-ring.
and genuine.
Genuine, yeah,
Genuine Honda.
we do indeed. Now, normally if you're using your old pump, you have to put a new oil seal in, but New pump comes with new oil seal.
Happy days.
Mint, saves me a job. Nice and smooth. Safe.
Now we're just bolting up the water pump. Look, little spinneroo. Next piece of the puzzle, kettlebell tensioner. And this little spring here, Pete, that's the sort of tensions the belt.
Yep, so what we do, while we're fitting the engine together, push that all the way down, nip this up, and then we wait until we've got the belt on, then we loosen that, that fires into position, tensions the belt, so then we don't have to put any more tension on it.
More Nyewood goodness, ARP head studs and nuts. Lovely jar boy.
Stud. Yeah, bit of lube on the threads.
Supplied ARP
Arp.
grease. Spoon. We like a spoon.
Yeah, good for yogurt. Okay. Like a glove.
More B18 by the minute. Paul's been mud wrestling. He's just greasing up all of the head stud washers. Nuts are all in. We've got specific torque settings for the head bolts.
Yep, we're going to do 80 foot-pounds as per ARP's instructions. So we do it in 3 steps. And first step we use a baby torque wrench.
That's the bolts and nuts we tightened up. We're having a little bit of lunch next, and then we're going to do cams,
Cam caps, oil spray bars, and timing belt.
20 minutes later.
Cheers. Now this
goes in there.
goes in there. That is your high pressure oil flow for VTEC.
Camshaft.
Shafting.
No, it's a family show, man. I've been advised by my brand manager that we can't do sexual innuendos because it's 2023.
Is it?
It's not 2018 anymore, apparently. So no more no more going, bop bop. We can do it to you because you're a man. Well, I suppose you're a man. It's more acceptable, isn't it?
Ah, but that might not be
2023, baby. So anyway, camshaft, and these are C4 cams.
Yes.
Original gangsters.
Yeah.
Can't we just get some like really aggressive, lumpy, like bub 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 bub? So make it sound like a rotary.
Yeah, if someone on the channel wants to sponsor him a set.
Make it really undrivable, like off boost, like. So
Yeah, it's just like.
and then really it barely starts, but it sounds sick. I'm learning.
Learning.
I kind of know what most of this shit is, but it's just about assembling it all in the right way.
Yeah. These do only fit on in one position. P72. Thanks, Tegwa.
I'm gonna do like all the like Japanese style filming in the old. They always like zoom in and out all the time. Like,
Oh, what? This.
they always zooming in and out all the time.
This. You go in here.
They do that a lot though, to be fair. 1990s and 2000 Japanese films. Car films, that is, not like other types.
And cap.
Yep.
Number 2. Number 4. And the arrows face forwards. Fire on spray bars. High pressure oil through all these little holes to go into the various cam load, cam pieces, and rockers and everything. Now this can go on this one, but if I like it more on this one, I can put it on this one too. Now these ones look a bit different from these ones. They go on the inside rail on the second one in. So first one in, second one, first one, second one. Cam seals. No point hammering these in when we haven't bolted all this down yet, so we lift that slightly. They have got grease in the middle of them. Slip that in. put that down. You can do it without, you don't need to beat on these. Some people beat on them. I just prefer to do it like that when I've got the engine stripped down this far. Yeah.
Rear cam cover.
Special bolts.
Woodruff keys for the cams. Timing belt.
Little mark there. Little arrow there. So lines up along that edge to there.
This is the second time we're filming this because I missed it the first time.
Right. Up there. Around there. On that one. Hold while holding it on the crank. Around that one. Like that. Around the tensioner. All the slack is here at the tensioner. Not here. This is nice and tight. No bounce. Nice and tight. But all the slack is here. This spring contracts the whole lot. Boom. Valve clearances, I use rule of 9. So you have 8 valves on the exhaust side, 8 on the inlet, so the rule of 9 makes perfect sense. So we've got 3 down, 4 down, so what do you need to make 9?
5.
So if 4's down, we need to check 5.
Now we're doing valve clearances. Paul's just got a feeler gauge in there. What size is that?
That is 0.3.
1.3.
So I do 0.2 on the inlet, 0.3 on the exhaust.
You're adjusting it so you can feel it pinching as it were.
Just a little bit, yeah. It's too tight. Bring that back out. There we go. Has to be done when the engine's cold.
Now Paul's just going to go through and adjust all the other valves. Another 14 to go.
Yeah. Yeah, we could be here a little while.
20 minutes later.
2 American bolts.
It's got a number on it. Number. Sick.
New gasket.
Okay. And you put the studs back in as well.
Yeah.
Sick. Intake manifolds all now bolted up. Fuel wells in place. Can't remember what size injectors these were. I think they were like 5 something.
Oh, you might have to look at an old video.
550s. 621 oil cap. Looking pretty. These vacuum lines here.
We don't need them. This is like a secondary set of throttles in here, which if you're running stock C4 with a stock ECU, you connect this up. But if you're not, you literally hold that open, lock it open with a cable tie and send it.
Distributor.
Yep, feeling a little bit dizzy. Right, this isn't in the centre. It's offset to one direction. If you look, you can see the keyway in the cam is also offset.
Oh yeah, but just about make it out and carry it.
Boom.
At some point, put the gasket on and stuff as well. Put the on.
Yeah. So just shut that on so we can move it around and keep it nice and clean inside. Yeah. Oh, now, 2 brackets, breather box, bracket on the bottom of the inlet manifold. Haven't done the oil filter yet, or the TPs for the turbo fitting. But yeah, that's all stuff under the inlet all done. You have a complete long block.